On Tuesday, aviation observers took note as British Airways reaffirmed its commitment to the Airbus A380, despite recent operational challenges that have seen several of its 12 super jumbos grounded due to technical and post-pandemic issues. In the early 2020s, BA made headlines by parking its entire A380 fleet amid a sharp drop in travel demand, while other airlines did the same. But while giants like Lufthansa and Qantas largely exited the program, BA kept its aircraft maintained in storage and hinted at future reactivation. As of April 2025, around 11 of the 12 jets are operational again, supported by a heavy maintenance effort spread across Manila, Madrid, and Doha, while the remaining aircraft remain in long-term storage. However, a rising number of reliability problems has plagued the fleet. Since summer, nearly 4% of scheduled A380 flights have been canceled or downgraded due to A380 maintenance issues, and multiple aircraft have been grounded simultaneously, complicating staffing and schedule integrity. These glitches, ranging from hydraulic faults to wiring faults, have forced BA to scramble replacements, often swapping in smaller 777s and disrupting premium heavy routes like Singapore, Miami, and Los Angeles. But BA isn't simply clearing the decks. It's investing hundreds of millions of pounds to refit each A380 cabin with new first-class suites atop its upper deck, modern club suite business class, and updated economy cabins by 2026. The strategy is bold. With Heathrow slot pressure ever present, the A380 allows BA to carry more passengers per flight than any other aircraft in its fleet. CEO Sean Doyle has repeatedly emphasized the A380's role in the airline's post-pandemic recovery, noting that while the aircraft has challenges, namely part scarcity and a tiny fleet, it remains vital for London's hub to maximize slot efficiency. With production ending years ago, keeping supply lines intact requires clever logistics and long-term strategic planning. The A380 is a poster child for the hub-and-spoke era, offering economies of scale that single-aisle rivals can't match on trunk routes. But the model only works with robust dependability. BA's ongoing A380 gambit will test whether prestige, cabins, and capacity can outweigh fragility and scarcity. Are these super jumbos future-proof, or is BA merely delaying the inevitable? Stay tuned to find out, and hit subscribe for exclusive updates as this story unfolds.